Hey everyone, we're the West Coasters. Come along with us on our annual holiday shopping trip to Ikea. We're on the hunt for cute decor, festive treats, and all the Christmas vibes we can find. Hey. Maybe. What's that?
Strawberry shortcake. No cake? You don't want cake?
Fish and chips. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Our little food cart. Good. This is the ultimate hack. Before you start any of your crazy shopping, get food, eat a meal, don't start your IKEA trip hangry. Isaac got the traditional meatballs, but I noticed that they have this, is it cod, Isaac?
Yeah.
I noticed that they have this cod dish that I hadn't tried before. I haven't been here in quite a while. I got it and it's really nice. The fish is super like flaky and perfect, I think. Dinner with a view.
Lingonberry has already put me in the holiday mood. Has kind of a holiday meal taste to it with the mashed potatoes.
So good. Ready to shop?
I am now.
Yes. Oh, these are fancy ones.
This is good. Nougat nougat praline with nut pieces and marzipan.
Yum.
Girl, you're my favorite.
Okay, time to shop.
Buttered. We are all tomatoes. That's another good one. I love that artwork. I would buy it.
I think this is so cute.
This is a cute setup.
Simple and cute. Uh-oh, what happened here? Oh no, he might have gotten Christmased out.
These are covers. We could get this cover.
Oh really?
Yeah. Those Hallmark Christmas movies. This looks like a set.
Yeah. Christmassy room. Is your inner Swede waking up right now?
Yeah? What do you mean by that?
Do you love it here?
Yeah, it's great. We've bought so much stuff from Ikea over the years, so we can't escape Ikea.
We don't buy as much here as we used to.
No, we don't. Definitely not. We're like branching out. We're thrifting for things. We're going to flea markets. We're enjoying living in a big area like LA where you have those great options, but you can't escape Ikea. The value's there, and it's cool stuff.
And it's especially fun at Christmas. Some of the furniture is comfortable, but some of it...
Not so much.
Yeah.
This one. Although it looks super cool, it's not very comfortable because it's not cushiony. It's like kind of like fire hose material.
These cube shelves. Has any millennial not owned a series of these in the last few years? I think we have almost exactly this one at home, but they're good and they last. This is my favorite. I think it smells so good, and I've been buying this one for years. So would it be over the top to get like Christmas chairs? I love these. Hey, we have this painting in our kitchen. I didn't realize they were still selling it. We've had it for years.
It's a classic.
An oldie but a goodie, am I right? Ooh, it's the sleek, sexy kitchen. All right, we got your iced Americano, and we're just gonna ask you one more question real quick. He's barely hanging on.
So cute. Hedgehog. It's a meerkat, I think. And giraffe butt.
Giraffe
Or
butt.
whatever this is. I don't know. Whatever that is.
Those look like the kind of friends Archie would want to have around. We made it. We did the full circle tour. This is where the real fun begins. Let's go. This is very tempting. Ikea swag. Is that a bucket hat? Yeah, I like those new tote bags.
Cute.
Getting there. Almost to the Christmas shop. Looks like another movie set.
City girl meets small town boy.
Very modular. Ooh. I think we found something. Ooh. It's like non-alcoholic glue.
Knacker. You knacker.
What's that?
Huge rye cracker. You edition. Did we find it?
We made it to the holiday shop. The Christmas shop? The shop. Love these though. These are like painted wood. The lighting's not great, but they're like a nice deep red. These are tempting. gingerbread candles, and they actually smell like gingerbread, not like the Yankee Candle version, but like you're baking gingerbread cookies.
Gotta get them.
Into the cart. Okay, another winner. These smell just like pine, but in a nice way. It's not too like wow pine, but just a nice pine. Adds to cart. I took a look at the ornaments. None of them were really calling out to us, which is just as well. We have so many ornaments that we've accumulated over the years. We have some really good ones from Ikea from past years. I think this year, maybe some of the good ones are sold out. I know people go crazy right when they come out. I think we'll just stick with the ornaments we have. Well, are we about done?
I think so. We got a bunch of good snacks and a couple fun things. Ready to bounce.
Alrighty. Uh-oh. We're passing by the cafe. Is it closed? It's open?
Yeah, look at the cinnamon rolls on the counter. Strawberry soft ice. Strawberry soft ice and frozen yogurt twist.
Cinnamon bun?
Cinnamon bun? Is that what you want?
Job well done.
Delicious.
Ooh, it's like super warm and soft. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. So we're happy to report we made it through the Ikea run without killing each other.
We're still married.
Still married. Probably helps that we had so many tasty treats.
For now.
For now. All right, we're gonna show you what we got. After you do a shopping vlog, you have to do a little haul at home, right? Got those amazing smelling candles. Got a couple of these. I know I showed them in the store, but they're like a really nice berry smell and my forever favorite. And of course, lingonberry jam. This isn't just a Christmas thing for us. We try to stay stocked up on this all year long. Isaac makes this amazing sourdough bread, homemade sourdough bread, and the lingonberry on the sourdough is like magic. My favorite cookie, opened it on the way home. Isaac's gummy candies. This is new for us. It's like that kind of rye cracker, but they've added some spices, so we'll see how that is. An assortment of chocolate bars. The Vinto Saga. This is like a mulled kind of spice juice drink. I think it's supposed to be like glögg. You can add alcohol to it, like vodka or whatever. This you can throw it in the microwave even and have kind of like that hot mulled cider. Very nice. Last but not least, the Vinto Saga ginger thin cookie. These are just like basic ginger snaps. I know they're really extra spiced from Ikea. We love them. So, I think that's, lint roller refills. Anyhow, as you can see, we didn't go crazy on decor because they didn't have anything this year that like was screaming at us. And to be honest, we have accumulated so much adorable Ikea holiday decor over the years. We have a really good collection. And that brings me to our next few videos. This is just the first of several holiday videos we're gonna do. We would love to show you how we decorate our home for Christmas. So make sure to come back in a few weeks and get in on all the holiday fun. Well, this felt like a really fun, chill way to kick off the holiday season. We hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, we just want to say cheers!